Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If your switch has not been working properly, like this light has been on and off while it's connected, and you just want to charge your phone, you just want to charge your switch, you can use, if you have a Note 9, you can use, that's what I'm using right now. I'm using my Note 9 to charge my my switch. So, and then vice versa, you can use your AC adapter switch to charge your phone, just in case, just if you just want to charge this. So for people that haven't been trouble with their switch box, like, it's gonna suck because you can't play it on your TV, but you can still play your switch vice, you know, you can still play it around. Like, if you can see right here, it's charging. You have the little boot symbol, so that's all we need. So I'll give you. So as you could tell, my phone is charging right now using the Nintendo Switch adapter. So in case you just want to charge your Switch, you can use a Note 9 charger to, you know, charge your Switch. So, but it sucks because you're not gonna be able to play on the TV like, you know, some people do. But it's better than not being able to play. So just a reminder that I found out today, you can charge your Nintendo Switch on your Note 9. No, your Nintendo Switch charger on your Note 9. And then, alright guys, so here I have my Note 9, right? My Note 9, my screen protector's cracked, so disregard. And then we have a Dr. Pepper on the background. It's a little change right here. So as you can see, my wall adapter for the Switch is right there, and it's charging my Note 9. So in case, look, I'll show you. You get a closer zoom in. Let this focus real quick. Okay, you can tell it's charging just because that light's on. So, sorry, I'm just trying to show you that it is working. It's probably bad lighting. Man, this is really hard, but I got a better idea.